A modern supercarrier hosts thousands of crew, feeds them daily, generates power, treats injuries, and launches aircraft from a moving deck smaller than a farm field. It is less a single weapon than a portable airport duct taped to a municipality. Then, First World War experiments. Ships carrying a few fragile planes for scouting. Now, nuclear-powered carriers launching dozens of jets with catapults or ski jumps, AWACS-style early warning, and choreography that looks like ballet if ballet were loud. The flight deck is the most visible real estate. Angled layouts on many ships let jets land and take off with less collision risk. Every painted line is a rule. Every handler in colored jerseys is a job title with hand signals. Steam or electromagnetic catapults accelerate planes from 0 to flying speed in seconds. Carriers are short runways, so the ship provides the shove. Without that push, loaded jets would swim instead of soar. Landing uses tailhooks catching arresting wires. Each wire adds drag to stop a returning jet on a postage stamp. Miss the wires and you are in the talk-no-joke zone of bolter procedures and go-around patterns. Elevators drop aircraft to hangar decks for maintenance, fueling, and weapon loading, the garage under the roof. A carrier stacks planes vertically through decks like a warehouse with an elevator obsession. The island superstructure holds bridge, radar, and flight control, the tower at an airport, but pitching with waves. Controllers sequence launches and recoveries while the ship turns into wind to help planes fly. Nuclear carriers use reactors for steam and electricity, desalination for fresh water, galleys feeding thousands, laundry for a small town. Conventional carriers burn fuel voraciously. Either way, the ship is a utility grid with guns adjacency. Here is the twist. Carriers project power because logistics won first. The flight deck is the billboard, but the win is refrigerated food, spare parts, fuel pumps, and schedules measured in minutes for years at sea. Carriers deploy with escorts, destroyers, submarines, supply ships, a strike group sharing radar pickets and missiles. The city floats inside a neighborhood with its own zoning laws and threat rings. Recap: carriers evolve from scouts to floating air bases. Decks launch and recover with catapults and wires. Hangars and elevators move planes. Islands control traffic. Reactors or engines power a city. Escorts share the watch. Season 1 of War Sketch: 5 diagrams, 5 surprises. More military history and machines decoded on Visual Explainer Network. Tell us which war machine we should sketch next.